mga pangyayari.
Yes. Here we go.
Anyway, malalaman naman natin at naka-record naman kung sino yung mga nagsalita ng mga hindi
Oo.
kaaya-aya. So,
Oo.
maghintay-hintay lang tayo. Tayo mag-enjoy na dito sa ating next bout. James Pakamalan versus Ariel Alapormina, Light Flyweight Division.
You know, James Pakamalan represents Elorde, Bulacan, no? Kalapit
Yes,
Bulacan.
oo.
Ito namang si Ariel Alapormina is fighting out of Zamboanga del Norte. I think if you're familiar with boxing, you know that itong si Alapormina is coming from boxing siblings din sila, no?
Oo, marami rin sila. Marami ang Alapormina. Ronald Alapormina. And then marami pa. Marami.
Miller
Miller
Alapormina.
Alapormina.
Ito namang si
among
James
others.
Pakamalan, kapatid ni Joji Pakamalan na nakita ninyo kanina, no? Here we go. Some probing jabs from both boxers. Kanya-kanyang tansyahan ng distansya, kanya-kanyang counter. Alapormina showing us his skill, no, of moving the head away from the center line. Ito namang si Pakamalan is or has the reach advantage, partner, being significantly taller than Alapormina.
Alapormina was away for quite some time sa pro boxing. He did enjoy the vlogging industry. Ngayon nagbabalik na siya sa totoong pagmamahal niya sa larangan ng pagbaboxing.
Yes, and just a quick look at their records. Itong si Ariel Alapormina is coming from a 6 fight win streak, This includes a win against Melvin Manangkila, and yung recent niya is Vincent Bautista.
Tapos po nung laban na to, yun na po yung kay Gerson Arigola against Danny Tapampipi. Hindi nyo po nami-miss out yun kasi mamaya-maya pa po yung laban na yung kay Joji Pakamalan. Medyo nawala yung signal namin, pero ipapalabas po namin yan right after ng coverage na to.
Yes. Ito namang si James Pakamalan, partner, is coming from a 2-fight win streak, In 2023, this year, in October 2023, he won against Franz Muizo. And his only loss was against Lawrence Dumamag. A battle of range, distance, and cutting angles from these two warriors. Yung mga nagmamakaawa na please balik nyo na yung live, ma'am, para namang kinuha natin yung live. Guys, unting unawa lang, ang signal, internet signal, intangible yan na bagay, no? Hindi namin yan nakokontrol. Pag nawawala ang signal, siguro na-experience nyo naman din yan sa mga sarili ninyong mga bahay. Hindi nyo naman yan pwedeng hawakan at ibalik.
Kahit tumawag kayo sa provider nyo, kung wala silang signal, wala tayong magagawa. Because sila talaga ang may control ng internet. So, anyway, we miss out one fight yata or two fights. So, ngayon balik na tayo sa live programming natin at konting lang tayo. Konting unawa tayo at huwag tayong magmumura, huwag tayong dahil wala rin namang mangyayari kahit magmura tayo. Hindi rin babalik ang signal kahit murahin nyo kami o ano.
Exactly.
It will not come back. So I really hope people would understand.
Exactly.
Yung mga ganong bagay, hindi po yun control ng streaming site.
Exactly. Well said, partner. And enjoyin nyo na lang ang laban like what we are seeing right now. Both boxers are having fun in the ring. They're trying to confuse or to use distracting tactics against each other, Even Alapormina pulled the Canelo tactic kanina, raising his arms and then trying to use the right.
I really hope that James Pakamalan will not go on to dun sa trap ni Ariel Alapormina na sirain ang laro niya. Because if you're playing mind games, medyo mahihirapan ka dun sa Alapormina.
Ultimately, partner, it's really being able to impose your game and not being not falling, tama ka dun sa sinabi mo, not falling into the trap that your opponent is setting.
Mamaya pa po yung Rakasa, main event po yung Ryan Rakasa, mamaya pa po. May 2 laban pa bago mag-Ryan Rakasa.
Alapormina goes to the body. James Pakamalan with that quick left.
I really hope that James Pakamalan took this fight or take this fight more seriously because of I think he is more powerful than Ariel Alapormina. Kasi pag medyo nainis siya, medyo delikado ka kay Alapormina.
That was a quick right hand by Pakamalan. Alapormina showing us his defensive prowess. He's really yung paggalaw niya na ganun, partner. Kahit natatamaan ka kasi na gumagalaw ka ng ganun, na neutralize yung lakas ng suntok or naro-roll mo kasi yung suntok .
Alapormina's trying to dig to the body of Pakamalan, trying to test his breadbasket.
Oh, that was a huge clipping hook by Pakamalan. Pakamalan is dangerous in short range as well as long range.
Oh, nice left.
There you have it.
Ayan na, yung sinasabi ko, Pakamalan must take advantage of his strength. Yan ginagawa niya na.
Alapormina lands with the left right there. Pakamalan answers with a combination. Oh, wow. Alapormina.
Batumbak-bakan ng dalawang to.
No. There you have it. Round 1, a quick heating up of round 1 right there. It started out with a feeling out process pero nag-escalate ka agad, partner.
Again and again, I will remind people na hindi pa po tapos yung Gerson Arigola. Tapos po ng laban na to, yung laban na po ni Gerson Arigola ang susunod. Entering round number 3 of this 6th round affair between James Pakamalan of Elorde Fight Team in Kalumpit, Bulacan against Ariel Alapormina of Zamboanga del Norte.
Ma'am Gigi Villaspin is watching us from Dubai. Hello po sa inyo dyan and sa lahat ng nanonood overseas. Maraming salamat po sa pasensya ninyo sa pagtutok sa Elorde TV.
I really hope that people would support you in good and bad times, partner.
Right, and not get frustrated at things you can control,
yes,
no? Kasi, yun nga, parang boxing lang yan . You work with the things that you can control, such as yourself, di ba? Your offense and your defense. Feb Aplaon, shout out from Alamada, North Cotabato. Michael Berto, shout out din sa'yo. Sad person, parang natawa ako dun sa pangalan ni sad person. Friend daw siya ni Pakamalan. 1-2 by Pakamalan. Alapormina slipping the punches, trying to confuse Pakamalan which punch is coming to him. Body shot by Alapormina. Pakamalan answers with an uppercut.
Nakikita mo.
Quick upper by Pakamalan, partner. And then
wow! It's very hard to see this kind of a fight.
That started with an uppercut and then he did a flurry of jabs and straights.
What a barrage of punch for James Pakamalan.
But the veteran that Alapormina is, he's able to recover from that. He is up. A little more protected. Perhaps.
Nice 1-2 again by Pakamalan.
Just vicious shots, one after the other.
Oh, wow.
Alapormina moving his head, but it's just the range of
Oh!
Pakamalan. And there you have it. Our referee has seen enough.
What a great stoppage by referee Virgilio Garcia. James Pakamalan winning by third round?
Yeah, third
Round TKO
And
over Ariel Alapormina. Yung medyo nagseryoso na yung Pakamalan nung second and third round, I think doon na siya nagkaroon ng advantage. I mean,
finding the range also. No?
Alapormina is trying to trick him with numerous antics. He almost go on to the trap.
Fell into the bait, yeah.
Pero nung second and third round talagang nagseryoso na to, kaya siya nakakuha ng stoppage win.
And make no mistake, no, it's really hard to be inside the ring and stick to your game plan. Kasi syempre, you're reacting, you're in the moment, sometimes you get carried away, but good job by James Pakamalan. Make no mistake, Ariel Alapormina is so hard to hit, but he did it. He was able to find his range. He was able to use his advantage, his reach advantage, and there you have it. We have a TKO win against the equally as talented Ariel Alapormina.
It is a great win for James Pakamalan on his young career. Ngayon ay may kartada na si James Pakamalan ng 6 win, 1 loss, 5 by KO.
Ladies and gentlemen, your official time, 2 minutes and 3 seconds of round number 3. Hidden by technical knockout, James